So here we have 3 dumbbell exercises na ang target natin is for back. So ang una natin is dumbbell row. So meron tayong bench dito, and then kakapit dito, and then dapat i-rest yung paa dito. Next, dapat kukunin na yung weight, and then drop yung shoulder, and then ipupulo mo yung weight papunta sa hips mo. Dapat maintain yung chest out, and then dapat naka-squeeze yung back. So, next na exercise natin is pull over. So, kailangan din natin ulit ng bench. So, hihiga tayo dito, and then, yan. Then, kuha tayo ng weight. Then, ganito yung placement ng hand sa dumbbell. And then, ang starting point is dito sa mid-chest. And then, pupunta natin siya dito, extend. And then, abutin mo lang kung hanggang saan yung limit nyo or nung arms mo. And then, back to starting position. Ganting nyo. So, ang last na exercise natin is shrugs. So, ang target niya is traps. So, kuha tayo ng weight, both na hands, and then chest out, and then dapat yuko tayo, then up. Up, then down. So, ayun yung tatlo na exercises na ang target natin is for back. So, ang una ulit is yung dumbbell row, and then next is yung pull over, and then last yung shrugs.